Let's turn your goal of growing your net worth in 2026 from a passive hope into a fully functioning, automated financial machine. By the end of this video, you will have an active net worth tracker, an automated system routing your paychecks, and strict mathematical rules governing your lifestyle spending. To build this right now, pause the video, open your checking and investment accounts in a separate tab, and download the free net worth tracking spreadsheet linked in the description below. Relying on daily discipline to save money usually fails. Building a system that automatically directs your capital mathematically guarantees wealth accumulation without requiring you to make exhausting financial decisions every day. Before we can effectively route your income, we have to establish your exact starting line. This animated formula shows exactly how to find it. Simply add up the value of everything you own, your assets, and subtract all of your debts, your liabilities. The resulting number is your net worth. Tracking down every last dollar can stall your momentum. If you don't know the exact value of a smaller asset right now, just estimate it so we can get the system moving today. You only need to update this spreadsheet once a quarter. Tracking your numbers every single month often leads to tracking fatigue, and we want this system to run smoothly in the background. Now that we have your baseline, we need to set up the flow of your money. Trying to manually save whatever is left over at the end of the month is the single biggest point of failure in wealth building. This flowchart maps the solution. When your paycheck hits your account, it automatically divides into 5 pipelines: housing, utilities, credit cards, savings, and investments. To execute this, schedule these automatic transfers for the exact day after your payday. Routing your capital on this strict 24-hour time delay ensures your savings and investment money disappears from your checking account before you even see it. You can't spend money you don't have access to. Earning a higher income often creates a false sense of security that leads directly to lifestyle inflation. To protect your automated system, we have to control your lifestyle velocity. This visualization demonstrates the 1% rule. If your newly calculated net worth is $50,000, 1% of that, $500, becomes your hard spending threshold. If you want to make any discretionary purchase that costs more than that 1% threshold, you must enforce a mandatory waiting period of at least 1 week to see if you actually want the item. That handles daily spending, but you also need a rule for setting cash injections, like getting a tax refund or a year-end bonus. When you receive a lump sum, apply the 90-10 rule. Split 10% off into a discretionary spending bucket to reward yourself, and lock the remaining 90% straight into your investment pipeline. Willpower is a limited resource. By enforcing these 2 mathematical boundaries, you build a structural defense system that protects your wealth engine from emotional spending. Now that your money is protected from your spending habits, we need to protect it from taxes. Maximizing your tax efficiency lets you keep significantly more of every dollar you earn. This matrix outlines the 2026 limits. For a 401k, contribute up to $24,500 or $32,500 if older. Expanding to IRAs, contribute $7,500 or $8,600 if older. Using a Roth IRA is especially powerful here because those earnings grow entirely tax-free. Log into your employer's HR portal today and adjust your automatic contribution percentages to hit these new maximums. This lowers your taxable income for the year immediately. Next, we need to plug the leaks in your baseline expenses. We do this by aggressively cutting down your recurring monthly bills. Pick just one provider right now, your car insurance or your internet company, and commit 15 minutes to calling them. Ask to be transferred to the retention department. Their entire job is to keep you as a customer, and they're authorized to offer standardized rate reductions just for asking. By simultaneously dropping your baseline expenses and maxing out your tax shelters, you force the gap between your income and your spending to widen, accelerating your net worth without working a single extra hour. Your financial machine is now built. You have a tracked quarterly baseline, day after automated routing, rigid 1% spending math, and maximized 2026 tax shelters. But this engine has one strict limitation. No matter how perfectly it runs, its speed is entirely dictated by the volume of income you pour into it. To achieve explosive growth, you must disconnect your earnings from your time by aggressively job hopping or acquiring high-income skills. Combining this automated defensive system with an aggressive offensive career strategy is the exact blueprint to hitting your maximum net worth in 2026. To learn which high-income skills you should acquire next, Click the video on your